success. So the next tool I want to share with you is the Workflow and Automations tool. Here you can create what we call matics. Matics are essentially automations that you can create and customize based off of certain events that occur within your CRM system. You can base these events off of things like a new contact created, a new form submitted, a new call received, and various other incoming messages or templates. From there, you just select which one of those events you want to work on and go forward. So for this example, let's say somebody completes a form. I would simply click select under the form option, and that would bring me to a page in which I can start creating my matic. You're then going to be able to create a workflow customized to exactly what you need. And what's cool about our workflows and automations is that the possibilities really are endless. All right, so on the left-hand side, you're gonna see all of the potential workflow options that you have, and I'm gonna start talking about them from the top down, starting first with AI. You're able to integrate AI into your workflows with our system. We currently support ChatGPT, Bard, and SMS-iT. The next section that we have covers affiliate. You'll be able to easily add, update, remove affiliates as needed to meet your needs. The next section covers all things CRM related. When you expand this section, you're going to notice that all of the things in here have to deal with your SMS-iT CRM system. You're going to be able to update various points within the CRM system pertaining to that specific triggering event that you're basing your matic on. Next up is our Google Sheets. If you need to have information come from your SMS-iT account to a Google Sheet, this is going to be incredibly helpful for you. Within the matic, you can design a specific step to actually send updated information to a Google Sheet of your choice. So it's really helpful if you keep information in your Google Drive. It'll help you stay organized and automate that process without you having to do it yourself or manually pay somebody else to do it. There's also a custom webhook option in there, so if you got some fancy webhook situations you're trying to set up, you'll be able to do that. We have a date and time formatter, so you're able to set that up to ensure that your workflows and automations are triggering exactly when you want them to. You have a number formatter to ensure that the data that you're pulling into the system is formatted exactly the way that it needs to be. You also are going to have a section about smart tools. When you expand that, it's going to show all of the smart tools, and that way you can create steps within your automations or workflows pertaining to those specific workflows. The next section covers data services. This is mainly for any external data providers that you're using. So things like custom APIs, Zapier, Pabbly, and everything here. We also have a logic section, so that way you can work in whatever necessary logic is needed to ensure that your workflow and automation is designed exactly how you need it. The next section I want to show you is our messaging section. This is where you can automate any messaging sequences needed for your automation. Next up is our membership actions. So with our system in the funnels and sites tool, you're able to create memberships, and here you're able to edit those memberships as needed to ensure that all member updates are executed. We also have social media. When you expand this, you're going to see all of our different social media integrations, and you're able to work those into your matics as well. We also have conditions and workflows where you can set up things like waits or delays. And then finally, we have groups where you can update specific groups as needed within your CRM system. So as you can tell, this is an incredibly robust automation builder, and this is one of the many benefits if you were a subscriber to our SMS-iT CRM system.